Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable autoplay in Reddit app, right? So I will just go into my Reddit mobile application here, and once I'm here on the top right you will see your avatar. Just click on it. Once you click on it you will get this option to go into the setting, right? Once you are here you will see autoplay under view option, so just click on autoplay. And as the title of this topic says how to disable autoplay in Reddit, you can just click on never, right? But if you want to that whether you want to play your videos when you are in Wi-Fi connection, then you can just select the second one. Right now, just for the sake of video, I will select the never. That's it. So right now the videos which I play, it will not in autoplay, right? For example, if some videos of course I have to refresh it out, then only it will work right now. Okay, but some videos if get played after selecting it never, then there could be an issue of the bug. So you can just delete your Reddit mobile application and reinstall it. It will fix it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.